device looks. As I said, it's wireless. Who doesn't want to go wireless these days? Hey there wonderful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of this device called NewQ. This device can be used as a file hub, a travel router, and a power bank. It's a portable power bank, right? So I got this device from the company NewQ. They reached out to me and they offered to send me this item for me to review. So for me as a content creator and also a photographer and as a person in general who sometimes out of storage space, whether it be SD card or my phone memory is full, I saw this file hub as a perfect gadget to add to my collection because it is lightweight and I can travel with it easily and back up my files to my external hard drive or to my flash drive without connecting it to my laptop for transfer. Or the fact about this thing is that you can transfer your files wirelessly. So this is how the device looks, and it came in this box. And as I said, it's wireless. Who doesn't want to go wireless these days? And who doesn't want a gadget that you can use wirelessly and avoid all the hassle and the stress of all these cords whenever you travel? All right, so we're going to dive right now into looking at this device more closely, and at the end of this video you can decide if you want to get it, because I'll be leaving the link right down below in the comment section and also in the description. So all you need to do is just hit that link. It will take you over to the site where you can purchase it. I will add it also to my Amazon store so you can purchase it from there. So I have already taken it out the box, so this is how the device looks. All right, in the box it came with several manuals in different languages. So this is you speak English, so here's a manual for if you speak English. On the device, you will see where it has like the Wi-Fi signal, the 5G network, marking right here for the SD card and also the battery indicator. And this is also for whenever you connect to the Wi-Fi, so if you have internet access. Yeah. And right here you have the power button and the slot for the SD card, and the button right here to transfer from your SD card to the USB device which is connected. So would it be like a flash drive or an external hard drive which is connected by a USB cable. And this is the button to turn on the Wi-Fi. And right here we have the Ethernet port, the USB-C port, and the USB-A port. So how do you power on the device? Just hold it down for like a second, then you see the battery indicator comes on right here, and if you hold it down for around like 5 seconds, you'll see the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. 1 2 3 4 5. See? All right. So as I said, like if you are a content creator or photographer, or you don't even have to be a content creator, if you're a type of person who like use devices like with an SD card and your SD card is full, you can easily back up your images or your videos from your SD card via this file hub right here. All you need to do is connect, for example, your flash drive or your external hard drive like so. Just connect it, right? So my external hard drive is connected. By the way, I showed you that there's a slot for the SD card. So let's say for example my drone, it uses a micro SD card. You would need an SD card adapter, a micro SD card adapter like this one right here to insert the micro SD card, right? So that's no issue. Just get yourself a micro SD card adapter if you are using a micro SD card, for example, with your drone. For the example of for the purpose of this video, I will just use a normal SD card which has some photos on it. So I insert it right here. So now I have my external hard drive. Not sure if you hear that, but yeah, powering up. And my SD card inside. So the app which I use for this is called the FileHub, which you can find in your Apple App Store. There is an app which came in the manual that said you could use, but I tried that app which the manual suggested and I was getting nowhere at all. So I found this one called the RAV. Let me go back to it again to show you. It's called the RAV FileHub. I downloaded that app and it worked fine yesterday when I tried it out. So after you download the app, let me show you. You're going to go into your settings, go into Wi-Fi, and then you'll see New Hub 2G DF74. You select that. Now, as I said before, I connected to it already yesterday, so it will ask you to enter a password, and you're going to enter the number 1 8 times, and then you'll be connected to it. Now, let's see. So it has detected my hard drive and also my SD card. So let's say I want to back up my SD card to the hard drive. Hold on. So file management. So you can see the SD card right here being detected and the USB disk, which is my hard drive, being detected. So if I want to transfer the images from my SD card to the hard drive, I can just click this option right here, which is SD card backup. Or simply, if I want to go wireless, all I need to do, not wireless, if I want to go without the phone, all I need to do is just hold down on this, and then you'll see the SD light starts blinking, and you can check your phone, which is showing you that the backup has started. Right, once the backup has started, which is from your SD card to your hard drive, the light right here will go solid, so which will indicate to you that the transfer has completed. So if you want to see the process of it, all you need to do is touch the icon on your phone and it will show you the percentage which is already complete. So it's 1%. Now I don't want to back up anything from my SD card right now because I already have them on this already. So I'm just going to cancel it. Alright, so this is a feature which I really like about this device right here. I can travel light by just putting it in my backpack or my, if I have like even a little fanny pack and I'm traveling with it, I can just put this in my fanny pack, light and easy. I don't have to travel with my laptop or any other heavy device to transfer files from my SD card to my external hard drive or even a flash drive. I can easily back up images from my phone to my external hard drive and then delete the images from off my phone so I can have free up my storage space. So I like that. In addition to that, as I said before, it can be used as a travel router, and before I forget, you can also connect up to 3 additional users with different devices, right? So let's say I went on a girls trip and I have the images and my friends also want the images. I can easily let them connect to this device and do transfer all in one go to everyone. So yeah, that's what I like about this device for my personal use. If you are, as I said, it is for anybody who uses who travels and wants to travel light to back up their files. It can use, as I said, as a travel router. It can use as a portable power bank as a power bank. So all you need to do is just connect your USB-C cable or your USB-A cable and charge your phone or any other device which you have. So I like it. It's light, it's pretty awesome, yeah, and you should get it. So guys, let me know if you are going to purchase this, if you have it, you know, and if you find it as a cool gadget to have as well. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and turn on your post notification bell. NewQ, FileHub, travel router, and portable power bank.